Kurugira abahango mu by'obuhingi oburwaire bw'ebitookye bwa banana banchito nibusya okubarukaho mu district egi. Ahabwa endwara egi abahingi b'ebitookye okuruga omu Kasese, Bunyangabu, Rubirizi na Bushenyi babwine omu mushomo ogutebekanisibwa aba Ministry y'obuhingi n'oburiisa okureeba oku endwara egi erarwanisibwe.
We have intercepted some planting materials, we have burnt them, and I see the inspectors are no longer reporting interception of planting materials from Rwanda, from DRC.
This disease is believed to have come from Congo. And actually we know that we have more Abakons in Congo than they are in Uganda here in Kasese. So you may find that one has a family here, because this is a cross-border, one has a family here in Uganda, another family in Congo. And therefore there is easy exchange of planting materials between the two countries.
Nabwo nkomwebembezi nije kuguma ningambira abagenzi banje ahinda atungire platform kugira ngo entokyezo zitakatushika omu Bushenyi abo kwa tukaba twagizire kizubu cya Kajundi haza yatuteganisa buni nshaba ngo ndwareje na yeta kija kandi katuteganisa nk'abanyabushenyi.
Julius Rukara orukurira by'obuhingi ahabwa district ya Kasese nashaba abahingi okure mitumba yone rukuba yakwasirwe endwara egi okurinda etakakwasirwe obutakwatwa.
And we are saying it is transmitted using aphids. They will call them banana aphids. Try to control the banana aphids. We are saying if you really see that this is diseased, you cut, if possible, get soap, dissolve soap in water, and get the leaves of this plant that you've cut soaked in these leaves. When you soak them in these leaves, that soap will kill, let me use that simple language, will kill the banana aphid that would transmit this disease.
In fact, when we talk about tukumanya sonja genda nitamu hivi ndachema na LC1, we organize kabakora committee wa LC1, so you can even go further to LC2. Tutawansebure buni butakatuhikiremo.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Mahangus.